Que pasa, Mookie? Que pasa?
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, we're going to make a drink. I'm going to do a Tiki drink today, of all things. So this is called a passion fruit zombie. So I got my Tiki mug here. I filled it up with crushed ice. And we're going to go 1 ounce of white rum. 1 ounce of aged rum. We'll do a dash of bitters. I just have some orange bitters today. And a splash of absinthe. And we'll go 1/2 ounce of falernum. I'm using, oh, that's not the falernum. We'll go 1/2 ounce of falernum. I'm using the Fee Brothers falernum today. It says Fee Brothers non-alcoholic West Indies styled falernum. So you can actually get falernum with rum in it. And I've actually made my own falernum with rum plus 18 other spices and ingredients. But this is just the store-bought non-alcoholic kind. Works just fine. So 1/2 ounce of the falernum. And in the passion fruit part of the passion fruit zombie, we're going to do B.J. Reynolds passion fruit syrup. If you have a fresh passion fruit, that'll work much better, or just as well. And then I have a lovely umbrella garnish. And that's my passion fruit zombie.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today we're doing Kahula pork tacos. This is a Kahula pork hack. I got this from John over at Food Wishes. Very, very easy. You just get a pork butt, cover it in sea salt, wrap it in banana leaves, and a little bit of chicken stock in the slow cooker, and a little bit of liquid smoke to give it that smoky, salty, beautiful Kahula pork taste. So Kahula pork is one of the most famous Hawaiian dishes. Kahula means to cook underground. Now pigs were not native to the Hawaiian Islands. The ancient Polynesians were the first to bring the pigs over to the Hawaiian Islands. And it's basically pork butt rubbed in sea salt and tea leaves, and then it's cooked underground. Now the Kahula pork meat has a rich, smoky, and salty taste that is balanced by the sweetness of the pork fat. The first time I had Kahula pork was actually just in the Ala Moana Mall in Honolulu. I got it on a plastic plate with a mac salad and a scoop of sticky Japanese rice, and it was probably one of the best things I've ever eaten. Now in Hawaii, it's pretty typical to get the your protein with a scoop of sticky Japanese rice and mac salad. That's your typical Hawaiian plate or lunch plate. The origin of the Hawaiian plate lunch dates back to the 1880s for hungry workers on Hawaii's pineapple plantations. It may have originated from the Japanese bento box. The Hawaiian plate lunches and Hawaiian cuisine in general is basically comes from a melting pot from all the immigrant workers from Japan, China, Philippines, Korea, and Portugal. Some of the more popular Hawaiian delights are the loco moco, spam musubi, and of course this Kahula pork. In the Japanese internment camps during World War II, rice was a staple of the plate lunch from the beginning. However, the mac salad was added sometime later, basically just to accompany the different palettes of the many cultures that are in this Hawaiian melting pot and their wonderful cuisine. So I'm just building my taco here. I got some homemade pickled peppers and then some fresh jalapeno, a little bit of lime on the side, and yeah, just the salty, sweet Kahula pork is just amazing. Love it in tacos, but you can just have it on its own, like I say, with like on a Hawaiian plate with a little mac salad and some sticky rice. Mookie, she's keeps on staring at me.
Welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie's insisted on wearing her sombrero, so that means one thing: we're going to do some Mexican food.
So there's my beautiful Kahula pork taco. I find the pickled jalapenos, the vinegar, nicely cut the fat in the taco, and so I put a little bit of Tabasco sauce on there as well.
Corn tortillas I threw on the barbecue. I got my trusty Tiki mug. We're going to make a shark's tooth. So 2 ounces of lemon. And then I have some fresh lime. 2 ounces of fresh lime. Oh, we're going to add some ice to that. All right, and a teaspoon of grenadine. It's going to make it red. I guess that's the shark's tooth has blood on it. Then we got Captain Morgan's dark rum. 1 ounce. Que pasa, Mookie? Que pasa? All right, Mookie's going to run for the border. So where was I? I was at an ounce of Captain Morgan's, and then I got a nice Cuban aged rum, 1 ounce of Havana Club Añejo. And then we're going to finish it off with some club soda. And then I have a nice umbrella. With a lime wedge, and that is a shark's tooth. Oh, Mookie's at immigration now. She's been stopped.
Mookie, look. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.